When you engage somebody to clean your trusty old air conditioner, make sure you engage an ACWWA Certified Technician. ACWWA Certified Technicians have the right equipment to make sure that all of this biotoxic material gets moved from the front of the coil right through the coil and out the back and down the drain. That is most important. What happens when they use not fit for purpose equipment is that they push all of this biotoxic material to the back of the coil, and let me show you what that looks like. That is still filthy, and that air conditioner will still smell and it will not work correctly, and in fact it's been half cleaned, so as a consumer you've just been ripped off. So make sure you use ACWWA Certified Technicians.